In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a spam email in Gmail. We all know how frustrating it can be to receive unwanted emails cluttering up our inboxes. Luckily, Gmail has made it quite straightforward to report these spam emails and help keep your inbox clean. So, whether it's a single suspicious email or several pestering messages, I'll guide you through how to report them efficiently. Let's start with reporting a single email. First, you'll want to open the email that you suspect is spam. Once you have the email open, you'll notice a three-dot menu, also known as the More menu, situated next to the reply button at the top right of the email window. When you click on this three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Here, you want to select the option labeled Report Spam. By doing this, you're not only removing the email from your inbox, but you're also sending important feedback to Google, which helps their algorithms improve the overall spam filtering for all Gmail users. Perhaps you have more than one spam email to report. In this case, Gmail also allows you to tackle multiple emails at once. Start in your inbox by checking the small box beside each email that you suspect to be spam. You'll see that a check mark appears in the boxes as you select them, which signals that they are ready for action. Once your emails are selected, direct your attention to the top of your inbox where you'll see a button that resembles a stop sign with an exclamation point inside. This is the Report Spam button. Click on it, and just like that, the selected emails will be reported as spam and moved out of your inbox. It's worth mentioning that reporting spam not only helps clean your personal inbox, but it also assists in refining Google's filtering technology to better serve the community as a whole. By consistently reporting spam, you contribute to a collective effort to create a safer and more streamlined email experience for everyone. So equipped with these steps, you can feel empowered to handle spam emails swiftly and effectively. Remember, keeping your email environment tidy not only boosts your productivity, but also helps protect against potentially harmful content. Whether you're dealing with one rogue message or a collection of them, you now have the knowledge to act promptly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital life.